Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove background of your photo using YouCam application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my YouCam Perfect application, this one, and I'm going to go to the photo editor. Wait guys, it's still loading. Wait, I'm just going to close it. We can go to the photo edit menu. Okay, and choose the photo you want to remove the background. I'm just going to remove the background of this photo. Then we can scroll all the way to the right until we find the cutout option. This one guys, select cutout, and then you just need to wait, and the background will be removed automatically. And then I'm going to click on this check mark, and as you can see that the background has been removed from my photo. And then I'm going to click on this check mark, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to remove background of our photo using YouCam Perfect application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.